We all know that women have the power, the ultimate power in every household. So let's bring out the power tools. Girls, the power drill is the best tool any homeowner can own. So you need to know how to use this. I bet you even have one sitting in a box somewhere that you haven't even given a try. There's a bunch of different options on the market when it comes to buying a cordless drill. Some of you girls might have already bought the little 9 or 7 volt drill drivers. It's just a little screwdriver. They don't have a whole lot of power. So you can move up to a 12 volt or you can go big and you go for an 18 volt cordless drill. Now this is a drill and a driver for your screw driving projects. I love this one by Ryobi, 18 volt. It comes with 2 batteries and a recharger and a case. So the chargers, just like you would charge your cordless phone in your house, come with a attachment that charges the battery, or some of them the battery flips into a carriage just like that house phone. So after you've charged your battery, you're going to slip it onto the base of your drill and you're ready to go. Most of the drills today come with a magnetic tray built right into the base that allow you to leave your extra screws or nuts right here so you don't drop them off the ladder while you're working. And they come with a standard toggle switch, and this one, you push it this way, it takes the screws out, or the drill bit, so it's a reverse mode where you turn it this direction, and this is the inward direction for the screw. They also come with a leveling button at the top. It has a leveling bubble inside where you will see the bubble adjusted so that you can drive your screw straight into the wall. It also, on some models, come with a laser level that will shoot a line, a beam, right onto your project so you know where you're headed. The toggle switch can also be locked in the center where it shuts off all the power to the unit so that it disables it for kids. Years ago, you might have heard your father or your grandfather yelling, "Where's the chuck bit?" It was a small metal tool that clipped into the head here of the drill, and it allowed this opening to open and close, to allow the lumen to telescope. They've gotten away with that, and now you just open and close the head of the drill by hand, which is awesome. So now you can take your drill bit, put it into position, and hand tighten. Your father's drill was a variable speed drill that allowed the speed to vary by how hard you squeeze the trigger. Today's drills come with a speed control built right in, where you have a drill mode and you have a much more delicate control if you're doing a small project and you don't want a lot of power. One of the best things about this power drill is the versatility of it. Yes, you can use it as a drill to bore holes on whatever projects you're working on, but it is really just the best screwdriver tool that you can have. Girls, we all know that some of us don't have the hand strength or the arm strength. Let this do the work for you. It is so much easier. But one of the really cool attachments that I love for my drill is this. It's called a magnetic drive shaft. It is a tool that fits right into the mouth of the drill, just like your drill bit. And on the end is a magnetic hexagonal opening that allows all the different screwdriver tips to magnetize and sit right inside there. And it also has a sleeve that slides down over the head of the screwdriver bit, so that when you're holding that screw in place and trying to drive it in and it slips off and it cuts your fingers, you pull this down over the screw and you don't have to hold it. The other feature that I love is when you buy a small kit like this. This is a Husky kit and it's a ratcheting screwdriver set, and it comes with about 40 different pieces. It has Phillips heads, it has slotted screw bits, and it also has squares, star bits. It allows you to handle almost every screw you're going to encounter in your home for whatever DIY project you've got going. So for $5 here and for about $70 for a nice Ryobi 18 volt, comes with 2 batteries and a case and a charger, you can't go wrong. So check this out as one of the best tools, indispensable tools every DIY gal needs to have in the house. And girls, remember, it was hip chicks that showed you how to screw.